Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best ceiling fan in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a ceiling fan that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these ceiling fans, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Dyno is a transitional marvel that features both performance and design at an affordable price. The Dyno is generous in size, style, adaptability and function. One of the first styles from Minka-Aire to be equipped with an integrated LED light source, Dyno has become one of Minka-Aire's core ceiling fans that works in all settings, from a sleek flat in Tribeca to cutting-edge office space. Easy to install, easy to enjoy. Dyno by Minka-Aire, the art of air management.
The future of modern smart fans, designed to make life simpler all year round. All our fans are wet rated and made from highly durable materials, so you can turn them on wherever or whenever you want, indoors and out. Nearly every fan has an LED luminaire dimmable to 1% or better. These lights are outstanding in their own right, but packed inside a modern form smart fan? That's just unfair. A radio frequency RF wall unit comes with every fan for instant everyday control, and you can operate your fan with the exclusive Modern Forms app, which connects over Wi-Fi. That means you can control your fan whether you're at home or halfway around the world. Like using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant at home? You can control the Modern Forms smart fan with voice commands to most enabled devices. How about a smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee? The smart fan can sync up with your HVAC unit to save energy in summer and winter. Inside every smart fan is a 6-speed DC motor, which runs 70% more efficient than AC. And it's much, much quieter. The only sound you'll hear is the air whispering through the room. All the finishes have an elevated look and feel, and are highly weather resistant, whether it's distressed koa, carbon fiber, or an automotive silver as sleek as a Maserati. Modern Forms smart fans revolve around you, your tastes, your schedule, your life. Make things simpler with Modern Forms smart fans.
Turning Turning to our Monte Carlo ceiling fans, the highly energy efficient Maverick features softly rounded blades, creating an elegantly simple housing. With a sleek, modern silhouette and a DC motor, Maverick is available in a 60-inch blade sweep or in the Maverick Max version with a 70-inch blade sweep. The fans feature 3 dark walnut, hand-carved balsa wood blades. Metal finishes are either brushed steel or matte black. Energy Star qualified, this fan is also damp rated for outdoor use in a covered area.
Fan from Casa Vieja does it all. Refreshingly stylish, its modern 3-blade design is suitable for indoors and covered porches alike. Switching between the fan's 3 speeds is a breeze with the included handheld remote. And like all Casa Vieja fans, the motor includes a limited lifetime warranty, so you can enjoy it today, tomorrow, and for years to come. Casa Vieja.